Good morning, friends. Today we are going to touch the topic of happiness, and I'm going to speak happiness in one aspects of happiness, what it is. Now, majorly, happiness, if you see, arises when you are conscious. When you're conscious, automatically what has happened is that you are in the moment. The fact that you are in the moment brings a kind of an awareness of yourself and your existence into this world. Now, the major reason of stemming of happiness is when all your thoughts have subsided. If you see, if you do this exercise of just sitting calm and quiet and do some deep breathing and all your make your thoughts subside, automatically you will start becoming aware of yourself. Aware in the sense you will start getting aware of you being there at that moment. You'll start being aware of the sounds around you. You'll start getting aware of the space around you, the universe around you, and so many things. So you will be able to subdivide all these things which compromise the human life into separate different parts, and you will be able to become aware of all these things. In the process, you will be aware of what is troubling you, what is making you happy, what is making you super happy, what is making you positive, what is making you negative. And in that awareness, you will be able to delete all that you don't want, and all that remains is the good which you desire and which you want. And this is how the happiness stems up. So, happiness, the definition of happiness is not taking a gift from someone and that momentary joy. That is not happiness. Happiness is much more deeper, and it has to do majorly with being aware, creating an awareness in you, and fulfilling that awareness by being more and more conscious about your existence. And that can happen only when your thought process has calmed down. So, in the Zen philosophy, they have repeatedly said life is about breathing. If you are conscious of your breath, your life is done. Automatically, all the other things will follow. The human mind spends too much of the mental energy into doing, achieving things, trying to put his mind, trying to force his mind into certain things which he thinks are possible only by doing this way. But then there are some other energies which are working in this universe which he is not aware of, and he has to be aware of all that, the bigger play of the universe. To understand the bigger plays of the universe, these are the basic things which he has to bring into him, and that is awareness. So basically, the key to happiness is being awareness. Awareness can be got by calm, breathing, meditating, and acknowledging your existence, removing all the negativity from you, and keeping all the positive things with you, and building up on the positive things in your life. So automatically happiness comes in. So friends, these are the keys of life which you have to take, which you have to practice, and you will definitely come to a realization that you had been missing something very, very big, but nonetheless, you have your life ahead of you, and you can practice all these little things, and you will see a major difference walking in your life. So friends, take care, be happy, and we will again meet in our next video. Thank you.